Good morning, students. Yesterday, as we have done the loose connective tissue, okay, and earlier I have discussed today that parts also. Okay, you have not having any doubt. I have seen कि no unsettling doubt is there. So let us come to this part. जो कल किया था वो ऑलरेडी मैं ऑडियो फॉर्म में डिस्कस कर चुकी हूँ. ओके, आई डिस्कस द यस्टरडेज पार्ट जो हम पहले कर चुके हैं. Because as I said कि by chance if anyone has not attended the class, they can just learn at least some from that. Okay. Otherwise videos are there with you all in the Kaizen app stored there. You can see anytime. Okay. So let us start our today's part, that is second part. First part था connective tissue का loose connective tissue. The second part is dense connective tissue. As the name is telling me dense, loose था तो उसमें cells were loosely packed. Dense है, it means cells are tightly packed in this. Cells कैसी हैं? Tightly packed हैं. Okay. Chart जो हमने draw किया था कल, you have drawn notebook also. I hope you all have learned also. Because if you will learn the things and the same day, you will learn easily. Okay. So please pay attention at learning also with doing work. So let us start. Dense connective tissue के two parts हैं. Tendon first part and ligament second part. Okay. Dense connective tissue two parts are there, tendon and ligaments. So let us start tendon. It is a cord-like. Cord means you can say a thick string, जिसको हम रस्सी बोल देते हैं, उसकी तरह है. Okay, or sheet of non-elastic or you can say inelastic fibrous tissue by which a muscle is attached to another muscle. Clear? या तो they will attach to the skeleton or to another muscle. Clear? These are very tough. Tough है nature में. Bundles of white collagen fibers. Where we have done these white collagen fibers in the areolar tissue. Okay, white collagen fibers bound together by areolar tissue. Clear? Tough है और bundles कैसे हैं? White collagen fibers जो किससे bound हैं? By the areolar tissue. The cells present in the tendons are elongated fibroblasts which lie in almost continuous rows here and there. क्लियर? जो सेल्स प्रेजेंट हैं टेंडन्स में कैसी हैं? इलोंगेटेड हैं, फाइब्रोब्लास्ट हैं जो कंटिन्यूअस रोज में हेयर एंड देयर लाई इन द टेंडन. क्लियर? द टेंडन कनेक्ट द स्केलेटल मसल विद बोन्स और एज आई सेड कि दीज कनेक्ट टू वन मसल टू अनदर मसल आल्सो. या तो दे विल कनेक्ट मसल टू मसल्स, दे कैन कनेक्ट मसल विद बोन्स आल्सो. Okay, so it is all about the tendon. One more thing, when I ask you do the questions from the video, as I will give today कि describe the dense connective tissue. आप लोग you will put one heading like dense connective tissue. In this you will write down cells are tightly packed. Okay, then you will write two parts. First tendon. You can do this in the points form also. Like let me tell you. First point, you may say it is a cord-like or sheet of non-elastic fibrous tissue by which a muscle is attached to another muscle. First point is over. Second point is here. These are very tough bundles of white collagen fibers bound together by areolar tissue. Second point is over. Then third. As one point will be over, you can do numbering according to your comfort. Okay, you can do numbering according to your comfort. Because by doing numbering, we can learn the things easily. Clear? और इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. Cord like है, inelastic है, white collagen fibers होते हैं. They are continuously in the rows here and there. इनका वर्क क्या है? Joining का. या तो मसल्स को बोन से या मसल्स टू मसल्स. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट पार्ट लिगामेंट्स. इनका तो काम था या तो मसल्स को बोन से ज्वाइन करना या मसल्स को मसल से ज्वाइन करना. नाउ लिगामेंट्स आर देयर. These were inelastic or non-elastic. These are elastic fibers. I will send the difference also today. Okay, as I said earlier, the difference of these two. I will send the difference. This will be also your one question. First question नहीं, I said one question because first question तो मैं already भेज चुकी हूँ. That was the difference between areolar and adipose tissue. Okay. So these are elastic, these are non-elastic. You can learn one side, other will be learned automatically. Elastic fibers that connects bone to bone. Okay? ये किसको connect करती हैं? You know very well yourself because I discussed this point earlier. Bone to bone को join करना at the joints in the body. They connect bone to bone at the joints in the body. Okay. The cords formed by yellow elastic fibers. Yellow elastic tissue जैसे इसमें कैसे था? White collagen fiber. इसमें yellow elastic tissue in which many collagen fibers are bound together by areolar tissue. Cords formed by yellow elastic tissue in which many collagen fibers are bound together by areolar tissue. Clear? इसमें बहुत सारे जो कोलेजन फाइबर हैं किससे ज्वाइन होंगे, किससे बाउंड होंगे? सेम एरियोलर से. बिकॉज ये हमें कहाँ पे मिलते हैं कोलेजन फाइबर्स और दीज येलो इलास्टिक फाइबर्स. These we found in the areolar tissue only. Okay. So next point. Fibroblasts are irregularly scattered. Fibroblast किसमें है? Irregular scattered है. उसमें कैसे थे? Continuous rows में. Continuous rows इसमें कैसे है? Irregularly scattered है. कोई कहीं है, कोई कहीं है, कोई कहीं है. In this way. Okay. So it combines strength with great flexibility. ये strength को किससे combine करता है? Flexibility से. Clear? It is about tendons and ligaments. You can do this also in the point form. Okay. Let us take this small revision once more. Tendon क्या है? Cord like है. Sheet of non-elastic fibrous tissue है, by which a muscle is attached to the skeleton or to another muscle. These are very tough bundles of white collagen fibers bound together by areolar tissue. Next one. The cells present in the tendons are elongated fibroblasts जो कैसे arrange हैं? They are continuously arranged in the form of rows here and there. Row बनी हुई है. The tendons connect the skeletal muscle with bones. Okay. Now next is ligaments. These are elastic fibers connects bone to bone at the joints in the body. Bone to bone को join करना कहाँ पे? बॉडी में जहाँ पे जॉइंट्स होते हैं वहां पे. Now cords formed by yellow elastic fibers. इसमें कोड कैसे बनती हैं? These are formed by the sheet of non-elastic fibrous tissue. Okay, and in this yellow elastic tissue in which many collagen fibers are bound together by areolar tissue. Okay, fibroblasts are irregularly scattered. उसमें रोज में है, इसमें irregular है. That combines strength with great flexibility. Strength को किससे combine करता है? Flexibility से. So now today's dense connective tissue is also over. Please watch it carefully. Okay. It is your question also to describe dense connective tissue with its types. Okay. So thank you everyone. You will take a screenshot also of this. Okay. Just take a screenshot and just revise once. Okay, thank you everyone.